Well, today's the day. Well, actually the day was about 2 weeks ago. Dolphin's been in the water for a couple of weeks, very busy doing teaching with it and a few charters as well. It's now mid-May on the Costa Blanca and we're just about ready for the season. Boats in the water, upholstery's done, everything's finished. Let's go and have a look. So that's our new bow cushions, covered in Silvertex material. Very pleased with that. I don't know how it's going to stand up over the season. I'm sure it'll be fine. There's the Jesus seat, or the hold on to your hat seat, whichever you want to call it. Helm and co-pilot seat looking really good too. Just drop those down. Now I very rarely use them in the down position. Very occasionally, if I'm plodding back gently, I might drop the seat and just kick back with my feet up on the tubes, but not very often. We don't do a lot of plodding along with this boat. Aft bench seat's come out pretty well, I'm happy with that. And LED top light and matching LED side lights as well. And the helm's all up and running now. We've got the electronics going, got the new switch panel in, and this steering wheel, well, the helm, I am getting used to it. It sticks out this way further than the old wheel. So when I'm standing here at the helm, it's a bit close. Or no, leave it. Alright, a few less pies might help. But yeah, it's a lot closer to me than the old helm used to be. I am getting on very well with the spinny knob on the wheel because we do a lot of manoeuvring, a lot of close quarters stuff, certainly when we're practicing coming alongside when teaching. When we're out doing water sports, obviously we're picking people up out of the water all the time and there's a lot of close quarters manoeuvring going on there. So that does make life easier, having the forklift style spinny knob on the steering wheel. But I think if it was just a bit flusher that way, it might work a bit better. So it'll do for this year, but maybe new helm wheel next year. So to sum up, after quite a few busy months of work, I've done it in my spare time, mostly on my own, had a bit of help from here and there. Obviously I didn't do the tubes and I got my pal to help me with the electrics because it's just not my strong point. But everything else, I've just got on with it. And it's taken longer than I'd hoped, but we are in the water ready for the season and that's the main thing. I hope you've enjoyed following this project along. There'll be another one after the summer. We've got a little Sunseeker 27 to do hopefully, so that should be fun. If you want to know anything more about the things I've done on this boat, comment below, send me a message. If you could like, that would be lovely. If you could subscribe, that would be super.